Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube.
One of our Uronigbe sister and John Bull Imade, they send message to some people wey sell land for Uronigbe for 6 million naira. Make I leave you now, make you hear the message.
Ina de gbe mi aro pa Uronigbe wa. Ugo de gbe latia, ba for Jebu Imade. No anasi laja we give the next thing to do how to develop the community. Ugo de koda we de gbe latia. We integrate aro Uronigbe. Erosho amunu wa latia. Wa we de gbe latia no kuzuro igbo no wata. Cause we make degrade no. You gonna run latia na wa mata. You gonna run latia wa mata. Uronigbe wa ereba. Okay, if you say you dey Lagos, Abi, Uronigbe not concern you again. You there for Benin, Uronigbe not concern you again. Or you there Abuja, Uronigbe not concern you again. You there worried, Uronigbe not concern you again.
Life in the now. You know. Wow, this very fine building. This is a very fine building. Somebody came from abroad to come and build this building here. Let me show you guys. Take a look at this fine building. You see this building? From abroad, now to Bowana and tag Mohammed. Oh, no way we see him in Neruna. I pray for those who pray for me. I curse those who curse me. This is fine building as I speak with you right now in Idunegbo Road. Hey, Omado Borona. We go where? Koki go where? $1. I have you a leo. One day you will die here if you go your way. Because you don't want to help your community. You don't want to transform your community. Hey, Omado Borona. We have started coming from all those houses. Look at only one new one here. So we are still going. We move. We move. We are moving. I challenge you. You are in London, you are in America, all Uronigbe citizens all over the world. Or when I'm me do bometi, Salobo Romudianua, so that we're making amigo do ya go beni tweki. But when we get go, when we are Zao, we are Kodofilunu, when no matter about go, look at all the old buildings. Old zinc. Old zinc. You cannot because why? I built my personal house in my community. I built a standard building in Uronigbe community. You understand? We are begging everybody. We know that it's not easy, man. My woman is in Wawodo. But at the time, you have to do something. This is Idunegbo Road. So I speak with you right now. This new road. Idunegbo, close to the new road. You see? So we are begging everybody, support Uronigbe for development. Any money you achieve in life is not going to go with you. I have you at your wedding. Even where you or the legacy, the Maragonka where this guy really tried for us. So I want to divert now straight to Niger Delta. I have no stop. Road safety. How far now? I greet you. How yourself?
Yes, sir.
Well done, Baba.
Happy Sunday.
I greet you, Baba.
Hi.
I do.
Don't do me as if you might enter this photo.
My brother, I know easy. I want people sacrifice for river there for my people for abroad.
Right.
Almost to Lubiri. On a gwale mi no mada Uronigbe to Lubiri. Lubiri wason, Lubiri wafan. You will not escape it. Urewe bo, ureniwe we minima Uronigbe wana. Uwe ma we say when we who all masse they were Lubiri because Oriyawo eukin. Uwo no support me no ma. You understand? Until you started supporting good thing. So Uronigbe who supported me no ma almost to Lubiri. Uronigbe re beg 6 million of recent almost to Lubiri. Even aware Osas love. God bless you. You again. Don't tell you are welcome. God bless you. So almost to Lubiri. Oriyawo Lubiri. Wagavi Kugbe, Naya Dole Wimayi, Undawe, Akugbe, or Eti, Inwanigbe na, Udemeno, Akugbe, or Nyemeji, Akugbe, or Ovedaro. Uronigbe is old ancient state, ancient place. Uronigbe exists in Akemie Wonopu, Wakima Dole Wimayi. Magadole Wimayi Fure Daro. Me not the look person face, so. As me dey una know me I no dey look person face. If you do better thing I go talk am. If you do bad thing me I go talk am. So we dey talk am as e be. So we no dey look person face say dey judge. If you like make you be commissioner of police, ekene gbena si we kwa ma time away. You understand my point? Because mana no bo wane je wo na ne ma be agun we no ma bo we be da agun wata must see your egbe na where am I your way of egbe so must see your egbe. You understand my point? So that okay maybe no that day we understand now must see your egbe my brother. Mo wo 20 years almost 15 years in America we must back the foundation you Ronigbe we ada yo waro Lagos ya yo ko ema wa me ge ni that is not the right thing. You cannot be using your house in Lagos to be proud in for us that you have building in Lagos, you have building in Port Harcourt, you have building there, you have building in East, you have building in West, Wokpa, we be East, we be West. What are you building we me? Do ya tell of ba say Uronigbe? It's not done. Come and destroy your father's house. Do my say back the foundation. I'm understand the point, man. That is the reason we respect Friday Okere Akinti today. So on the House of Assembly, on our down the boat where I make foundation go boy. It destroyed father's house and rebuilt again, but they tried. You understand my point? While we trying to one of you think you man, then I will winner. Ezekiel have a road where yes you are. Salo boy. Yeah, is a good one. One man now, eat the ticket, it pass away, or why you are. I'm telling you the truth. Don't know whether yes or no. You are not ashamed of yourself. You have been spending a lot of years in New York. You cannot change your father's zinc. What is your problem? Where don't know where you do my say back the foundation. Okay, but you go many don't talk away. Otoya fake boy. Bring money. Let me buy 100 by 100 for you. For like 100 by 100. Okay, I can talk to Palama in council there. You understand my point? Even when I go to Palama, I talk to my senior brother Dixon Imade. I believe Dixon Imade will be having some agent. You can't control Dixon Imade. One day Dixon will he will tell you. You understand my point? Dixon Imade is the Cubana. As I speak with you right now, Dixon Imade, my senior brother, is the Cubana of Uronigbe community. Dixon Imade, you're the chief Cubana. The reigning billionaire in Uronigbe. When we New York, Mama Ewe, or Canada, Mama Ewe, we don't even care to know you because we are Ezekiel, we have a gi. Umadole, Apollo Wafu. Why only Urabo? From here go now Uronigbe land. Now 5 times. Oteman Akina. It remains Mama Rich River. From here is Uronigbe land. Ayekiana. Omaifo. From here they go all around Uronigbe land. Now if you kwalo ya mugbo. If you kwale. Wamado muona. Look at the old land. Wamado mwe company you are then making noise for street lights. Look at all the old land. Here you go talk. This is Uronigbe land. Oteman Akina. Otorigbe. Uronigbe. This is Uronigbe land. Uronigbe land. So I speak with you right now. All this land belongs to Uronigbe community. Look at it. Very big land. Yeah, my say back here now. Mohammed Giachion. Yeah, no, Tony and lay me we were. No, look, Uronigbe is all value. 6 million. The 6 million belu fucking 6 million. You go to Massive, but look at our land. Oteman Akina Yekiana. Omayefo. Na Bomagiere. You go to me back home. They can go where I stay in my building. When you hammer gear one boy, you are still there making you work bebona. Come on the boss in the law. Why have a if I bought fear kunilua, what do go talk. Look at all the old land. You cannot ride one masaba do Kiona. One masaba do Guequale Bina, Nibabola Wagbe, the Oro Kurodi fear kunilua. What do our bone, what do our son, what do our fan? How can you say a land of 6 million? I will still show you people the land again. How can somebody say a land of 6 million? You were joining the header, sharing 13,000 or so about Agmondan. Then when they were doing buku, you saw the land of 6 million. They were giving you 13,000. Wow, useless olololo. Nonsense. You people are there selling properties, selling land. But the honorable all the House of Assembly we have produced somewhere in Urunigbe. Fuck you people. Fuck you people. Look at our land. You cannot write a petition and take over this land. Fucking people. Rebels. You sell a land for 6 million. This is our land. Very big land. You cannot fight for this land. Then you know, Osazuwa Destiny, God bless you, my son. I sat you there. We will write a petition against you people one of these days. You understand my point? Fucking people. This is our land. Otoriman Akina. Oh, Yekiana. It might says it. It might say boundary. Wow, the right of Panimeme. The right of Panimeme. We are Kyoto. Wow, Eranya to the working. Everywhere I beg. Fucking people. If you walk in nonsense people. Fucking human beings. You understand my point? Who say, how can you 6 million? A 6 million, if you give me 6 million, I will only tell you thank you because I thought so low. What is 6 million naira? For a large land like that, 20 hectares. You post so 10 hectares. Mamu one or Urunigbe wana. Why me no fit bonkia winyai? Kosa ke no sarige wage. O dokbe ayuwala. You understand my point? Wow. We don't mind any age. You are selling our properties. We are begging for street light. The elders work out of 6 million. When we work out on him above, who are laying me with our backbone. You people is selling our land. You understand my point? Nonsense. Why is that Mogi? Why is that man? Okawurunigbe? Why is that man? Obabegwa? Why Vigo? Why Violawa? Why me Idobo? Why Lerigwa? Idobo la wa gbewason, non la wa gbewavan. But why are you Tony? Look at this my car. Fucking head off. I walk alone. One man mopo. John Buimade is one man mopo. One man mopo. Hey, Monsi you egbe modo gyo wa modo gwo we moto wa dun wa ya gbo ebe na re omomo o ma mi emi u o to na ke 6 million no di ka mo we wa re ki to na lize la dia e mo no we bie ni ya make na be do we na hie o masse useless bleaching human being. Nonsense. You are there making noise. You think I'm a man you can push with one hand? If you dead me, I take my lawyer, I fuck you up. Nonsense. We are the new millennium. We are the young youth that will make a better future for the community. Nonsense. And then mostly in America. You cannot do something good. Mistakenly, you get to America, you are supporting evil. Nonsense. You cannot write a petition. Oh, guy, a big hand says it. Yes. I'm very close to River Ethiopia now. Otema Hodo says it. You people cannot fight for the land. Otema Yenakina. You can't fight, you can't do anything. Nonsense. Modo best somebody, you have any. Nonsense. Look at this place in Yamukujina. You know what Okyoto no Gungbeluwa, Otikun, Otoro Ligbe, if you call it that more and more Otikun, what they Otikun, Otikun, Muyo, then Otema. Wow. You cannot write petition to the FCC. Ni have Jomadana, na Julia Yvari, na police, You cannot write a letter to the EFCC. They said Tiapo in Umutu here. When the elder were misbehaving. They were misbehaving. You understand my point? There are brothers in Abuja, there are brothers in abroad. They write a petition to EFCC. When they are killed we petition them to the EFCC. The EFCC will get them arrested. They don't carry their attorney here. You don't need me. You share the money. It's not receiving 12,000. So we are receiving 12,000. Why so we are receiving 13,000? We million. Osato, Osazuwala, Gumeriche OZ. Look at my no guy called that a real live video, but I'm not saying it's like it's not watching me. Okay, thank you very much. What's your problem? And look at our land. So I'm descending to the river Ethiopia now. I'm very close to the boundary, according to our elders. Because I remember saying, I don't know, because that's what you guys told me when I was growing. My father told me we boundary line. I'll be taking my risk. I'll be risking my life for my community. Every day I risk my life. Doing live video to their place. Do you think that they are not hearing what I'm saying? They are hearing me. But because what I'm doing is the will of God. So may I this is the river Ethiopia. I'm descending to river Ethiopia now. Oh my God. Yeah. I'm descending to river Ethiopia. Yeah, this is river Ethiopia. Yes. I'm descending straight down to the river Ethiopia. You understand? Yeah, I've me yeze. Yeze. I've me kueze. Even nerungiwa. There you guys, so then man raw. There you are, me. I'm going to river Ethiopia to do some sacrifice. You understand? I believe on sacrifice. You know? I was born and brought up in the medical home. You know, I don't play with sacrifice. You know, so this is River Ethiopia as I speak with you guys right now. This is exactly where they said that is the boundary. I'm not aware. That is what they said. This is the boundary they said. You see now? You can see that. Yeah, this is the River Ethiopia. Kodawa Ade, Ekedike Desi. You see now? This is the boundary they are talking about. I'm not aware. Mother aware. Why? You call them. We're not got 6 million. Why they come and fight? You cannot eat 6 million. You cannot eat your cake and get it back. You understand my point? We're not got 6 million. What are they? What do we know? What do we know? Yes, sir. You understand my point? Come and fight. Don't be your tower. Now I'm climbing straight now to Umutu. Yeah. Umutu. Let me just cross this river, check Umutu and check the life of Uronigbe. Uronigbe have been existing before Umutu. Uronigbe have been existing before Umutu. Nonsense. All why you are. Yeah, as a go manao, eat the ticket you make ba. Abebi me yellow to. I've tried in 2017. I was in Suprata 2017 before my deportation to Nigeria. When I've been speaking without no good background, without no backup, without no petition against those our elder that is eating our money, I'm telling you, I will buy my ticket and fly away from the country. Yeah, you understand my point? This is Umutu now. I'm going to show you the difference between Uronigbe. Yes. Yeah. What there? Let me just turn up. You see, we started seeing fine cars now. There you see. Oh, there life in Umutu. Ukboya fe ataya. Different businesses, different type of businesses is going on here. Big as Uronigbe, hey, I'm on all day for me. Obi Adumutu, hey, that guy, Obi Adumutu. No good business, nothing. When you want to buy anything, you want to transport yourself and come to Umutu. Uronigbe be existing before Umutu. Wayo down, wayo Uronigbe. The wayo buwa. Wayo neru wabe fi. Your father died and leave the wayo for you. They say wayo fi now. So tell me that we bomagi trust him proper. I can't move. My one on. Okpa je wu my afre. Why worry? Why we go down? According to Eda, say we not go travel. If he said you go travel, that's what Eda talking. Idike nari ye ukwobi. Oh why you are? Ya do ukwobi neba. Inwe pami nya edi. Inwe ni kimba. Ya inwe ni kimba ya ariwa. Why you no akema gbonwe? Ukoke dollar we vio yo to te pilo we bo. Why do dollar Uronigbe yo? Or maybe no do you on your own. That is not my business. You understand my point? All the street lighter, who de mugima, who de wakewe bore, who we baby or halele kia, you are your own. You understand my point? All what you are, a good boy, I can immediately. Oh, you coming? And when I mean, you ya say that time we didn't even go back. Ya Uronigbe never went one when you didn't work, but you didn't work here. Nonsense. Thank you, my good brother, for watching this background. May the Spirit of God be with you. So I'm in I'm going to River Ethio to make some prayer. After the prayer, I have to look for a place to relax myself. God bless you. Thank you. And may the Spirit of Almighty God be with you people for watching this video. Please don't fail to share this video for development. God bless you. Thank you very much. Good evening, my brothers and sisters. God bless you all. And may the Spirit of God be with you people. In Warisobomu Eya Aduna Nowa. Be our so who say. Don't mind me, man. Ma gwa ka nwene we ma Uregbe Onígbígbé nebo me wa ya fo wa ato no mo wo me no manoro inu ware so bo modun na no wa ope a wa so wa si wa I love kan no deri Uronigbe nebo me wa no mo Uronigbe no ma no wo Uronigbe ma wa ya fo wa ma wa ku wa kun mi e fe ga la wa bo e tare o aje ba so e tare o aje ba fun wa ma Uronigbe ìwárí tó bomo ya dùn nánú wà dé ní Jehu ma te Jehu mo e police ro ba estate ire mo nonsense tala unu aka wa ga video wa ga yes. God bless you all, my brothers and sisters. Ìwárí tó bomo ya dùn nánú wà. Nobody can take me on granted as far as Uronigbe community is concerned. You cannot eat your cake and get it the same time. You cannot sell our property. Egbe okiyan. God's time. La omo ya gane kiri me ko wa la owo. Iye wo men, Uronigbe na wo men. Imenwina, I work inwina. Ogba abaje ba sonana. Ogba oba eije ba sonana. Imenwina. Share this video. Let people know Jumbo Imade is not a fluster. I work. Imenwina. I work and I make money. That is a man at the fall from heaven. Nonsense. A man at the Kodukure. Why you mume? We tell my people not to pay for any street lights. You eat fish? What's it? Imenwina etemeni gbere etemeni ku. Ogbaba egbodo gode eije ba sonana. Ni baba fie kun le yan no kin to. Ya na wa. Okay. Ya na wa. Ya wa na wa. Iya npo ni akin to Uronigbe. A o me wa soro na. A wa ga give Uronigbe. Ma wo ni gboge video me. Wa iye video ni go internet. Bani ake kama me. Ya wo me na amo ye YouTube happy me. Igwale go wa ke YouTube ke ya. Dan ya yi share this video aproko mwe. Nene mi lady wa mwe. Wa gwo wa. Uronigbe dan. Ne gwale mi no ma. Ma yi mi go be social media na mwe lati ni ma. Awololo. ibi ọkaligba bibi dun ka ya kí n tọ Oronigbe o yoroko ya na wa mi aka mu wa we egbe mo be ọkọ me be ni wo we gbe mo ko wa egbe mo ko me idun ka ọkaligba ya kí n tọ 6 million idun ka and ọkaligba sold the land for 6 million. We are begging Oronigbe citizens, America, home and abroad, to send money for us for street lights. In Yakiotoya, 13,000, 12,000, 10,000. Hear the voice of the tanker of Oronigbe, Mogwana, Jombu Imade, Jombu Asaboro, or Gwana. He drank our Kaligba Yakioto, Ololo, Yawa Dawe, Ololo, make it pay you, make it pay you. Because you join the chef for the.
Now we don't hear from Jombul Imade and our Oronigbe sister wey join am for this video. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.